thanks again to you guys for getting the sound set. We'll be back in about 3 minutes. 500 points in one day. Well, it's all paper, you'll know. And maybe people learn something about that. I don't know if I have any topical material for that. I do have a beautiful thing called the dollar goes down. It goes down, but I hope I can find it tonight for the event. Anyway, anyone who has topical material about that would be very interesting to hear. We could perhaps solve the whole financial crisis within this room. We hope so. Meanwhile, here's Bill Maisel, and he's going to introduce our 4 open readers in the first section. Bill.
Excuse me? Yep.
Okay. I didn't know what it was today, but I guess it was chicken liver. Anyway, I'll introduce the first reader. Will be Lee Ann.
Alright.
Speak loud now. I'll send it.
Okay, I think this is pretty current. Called Getting the Green, or originally it was. High current tax-free income, that's my kind of thrill. Conventional retirement, over the hill. Mutual funds, average. Real estate's a kill. Acquisition, foreclosure, auditing. Purchasing for nil. Give me the greens, the dollars and the cents. U.S. gold is high. I'm gonna thrive. Gold fund group, options, investments come alive. Buy, sell, trade, barter. Will I ever be satisfied? If I can take it with me when I die. Deceptive loan practices, irate borrowers cry. No dividend is being paid in view of the future. Busted.
That was Lee Ann. Our next reader will be Jim. Oh, let me ask before I introduce the next reader. The open readings are 3 to 5 minutes. Frederick is going to read.